So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Update. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows Update. Here it is. You're going to double click on it. You're going to make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. Now you're going to click on restart. You want to restart the Windows Update service. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in Troubleshoot Settings. Click on it, and then click on Other Troubleshooters. And then once you're on this, you're going to find Windows Update. You're going to click on Run. And now this will come up, the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. And now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete both those scans, you just want to restart your computer. And then this should not fix your problem.